Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Dubey and currently I am working as a web development intern at Spark Foundation, and today I will explain about the task that I got as an intern. The title of my task is Basic Banking System, and the objective of task is create a basic banking system using web development. And here I have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, PHP, JavaScript and MySQL. I have also used the XAMPP server for the database. I created my own SQL database, and they have told me to create data for 10 users, and user table will have basic fields such as ID, name, email, current balance, etc. And transfer table will record all the transfers happened. So this is the objective of my task. Now let's go to the browser to see practical demonstration of my task. So now I will open my browser to show you the live and practical demonstration of my project. So here I am using my Google Chrome browser, and I have already opened my project, and here you can see the address of my project. It is in localhost Citizens First Bank, and the index PHP page is open, and that is basic landing page of my website. And here you can see the logo of our organization, and in right side you can see three buttons: home, about us and contact us. And here you can see the heading that is saying welcome to Citizens First Bank, and in the below section you can see the footer that is saying that made by Tanmay Dubey for the project of Sparks Foundation. Now I want to show you the database that I have connected with this project. You can see it is connected with Citizens First database, and it's this database, these are basically two tables. One is transaction table and second one is users table. If you click on the user table, you can see the 10 dummy data that I have added, and also added some dummy data in transaction table. It has 7 dummy data and it is connected with my project. Now let's know the functionality of these three buttons. So if you click on view all users button, it will show the list of all registered users, and in second button, which is transfer button, you can transact the amount from one account to another. Let's do one transaction to learn easily. Click on any sender's account transact button. Now you see the transaction page where you can choose whom you want to send money. Click on transfer button to choose the receiver's account, then enter the amount, and hooray, your transaction was successful. Then you can click on home button to go back to the main page, or you can see the transaction details. Also you can see the transfer history direct from the main page. So this is all about the implementation of my project. I have shown you the live demonstration, and I have shown you the backend database. So I am done with my project, and this is all about my presentation. And a special thanks to the Sparks Foundation for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.